One area where the country is looking to lead the region is establishing a credit bureau. Financial experts say it will bring us online with the more developed countries where they already exist. Tonight, our Clint Watson introduces us to a man who's working on a project to do just that.
It's a storehouse of consumer credit information from various contributors and found in most developed nations. A credit bureau facilitates the flow of factual information between businesses and consumers.
It will also allow our citizens to apply to international financial institutions and companies for credit, especially in the light of the FTAA. It's equally important to also note that a credit bureau is not a blacklist. It is not a decision maker. It is not a moneylender.
Peter Armstrong is a partner in a new business called Bahamas Data Information Services. As a naturalized Bahamian, having lived here for the past 30 years, he's excited about the prospects of creating a consumer credit bureau. Armstrong believes international pressures and the need for financial institutions to ensure sound credit to clients is making this a reality.
The major banks, they want to ensure that, for want of a better term, not throwing good money after bad. They want to know who their borrowers are. The only way that can be done satisfactorily is this concept of a repository of data information.
There are certain things that you won't find available at a credit bureau, though.
You will not get pure money balances from a credit bureau. All it is it has all the information about the person, not about their money, their accounts.
So what's the benefit for the Bahamian consumer in having this kind of service?
If that good borrower is looking for the best rate, at the moment he can't get it because he, as I say, he's in that fight. However, if you have a credit bureau in place, then that gentleman is going to be, or lady come to that, is going to be able to get the better rate for the borrowings that they do because they're a good risk.
It will also assist people overseas in gaining information.
With a credit bureau in place, it means that Joe Blow can happily move from the Bahamas to Barbados, and he can then instruct the Bahamian Credit Bureau to allow his information to be transferred to Barbados, and then he can go to the banks in Barbados, borrow money to buy a house, whatever.
Of course, the establishment of a credit bureau will be subject to government's approval, but according to Armstrong International Trends forecast, it will happen sooner than we think. Clint Watson, ZNS News.